Okay. So if you just turn on your PC or your they call PC personal computer. So you want to start your Microsoft Word. Okay. Where you go to, you can search for it. Word. So from here, right, to show you, okay, this is Word here now. In some systems, it's called it to show Word, the version of maybe 2016 or it shows this. This is one way of open Microsoft Word, right? Okay, so if you are starting new, you click on blank new document. It opens this for you, right? Let's say in some instances you have your this is how to open it, right? Let's say in another instance, for instance, let me close this. If you open the desktop or your computer PC, you can search if you see any icon related to Microsoft Word in the desktop. Sometimes some people could create a desktop icon like that. Okay, these are icons or shortcuts that will need, once I click it, it will open that particular application. Well, in my own system, it's not there. Another way you can also open Microsoft Word for a new document is you can now, if you click on this Microsoft Home button, this button now, okay, here, it will show you some of the programs that have been installed on the system. So if you select it, scroll down, right? Just scroll down until you get to W because it's arranged alphabetically. You can see OneNote until you get to W. Now here, you can see Word here now, right? And click on it. You still open Microsoft Word for you. And click on blank new document. Okay, so now you've opened a blank new document. Well, the next thing you need to do is you have to save it, right? If you want to save, you can click on this. One way of saving it is click on File, select Save. Okay, now it takes you to this window. Okay, click on Browse to select the location you want to work to be saved. So now this is a location on my system. Okay, now by default it's choosing my document because that is the last location I saved my work on. In another system, you could use the desktop. So on the left pane here, these are different locations in your system that you can select you save your work on. So if I want to save it on my desktop now, select desktop. The right pane changes to what? All the folders that are on my desktop, they are here. Okay, you can scroll down. So to organize your work, it's always good to put them in a folder. Click on new folder here to create a new folder if you've never created a folder before. So select a new folder. Then give the folder a name. So, my Word document, or whatever name you want to call it. Click on it. Then double click it to open. Now, here comes what the file name. We've created a folder. It's inside that folder that I want to keep our documents. Okay. Now, what name do you want to call your document? Let's say my first Word document. Okay, this is the file name. Okay, it's this name that this file is called. If I click on save now. So you've created a new document and it has been saved. This is the name of the file now. Right? So if you start typing, let's say this is Microsoft Office. Okay. Now, the moment you've edited the document, you need to save it. Okay. If you want to save, you can still go to, that means you are adding to this document now. You can go to File, you can click on Save. Okay. It's because you've saved it already, you need to resave it. Just adding to it. That means you're updating the document. Is it understood? Mm-hmm. So this is how to open I'll create a new document and save it. Let's say now, as this document is opened, right? You want to create another new document. Okay, you can go to File, New, select blank. It opens another document for you. The previous one is still opened. If you click on, now, look at it now. This was the last one we opened. Click here. This was the last one. Then the new document is this one we just opened. Call what document for? Okay, what's the question you're asking?
Yeah, that's the question. You're saying, what will be from the
Okay, just place your cursor on this. It will show you all the windows of Microsoft Word that you have opened. You know, the previous work that you did is this. Okay, so if you just want to select any of the window, just click on it. Do you understand it? Is it understood?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will close this up now. Let's say I want to open an existing document. Into you mean I didn't share? Oh,